What's up, guys? Linscomb Fake 55 here. I got a box break with 2010 Topps Chrome. See what we get. GP. Ooh. Oh. Josh Johnson. Blue border. Number to 199. That's nice. Johnson. Oh my gosh. The first two packs. Hopefully it's a hot box. 2 autographs and 2 first packs. Checklist. Easier. Roy Holiday. Oh, the fun's out of it now. There's no more autographs in here unless it's a hot box. Prince Fielder. Refractor. Not numbered. House of Marriage, Jeter. It's off-centered. My luck. Hunter Pence, John Lester refractor, and Cliff Lee. A-Rod, Chase Utley, Joan Santana refractor, Lance Berkman, Kosuke Fukudomi, Red Ward, Dallin Murphy. Ooh, that's numbered to 25. That's nice. Joe Mauer, Mickey Mantle, Alex Burnett, Nick Johnson. Dallin Murphy, Carlos Santana, Wilson Ramirez. Joey Votto, Joe Sanders, John Danks, number 2/999. The fun's out of it now. Both autographs are gone. Gordon Beckham, Rich Harden, Carlos Pena, Sean Figgins. Franklin Gutierrez, Grady Sizemore, Drew Stubbs, rookie, Sergio Santos. Freddie Sanchez, James Shields. I don't know how to say his name. John Jay. Harry Kendrick, Tommy Hansen, Dustin Pedroia, Giovanni Sato. Victor Martinez, Adrian Gonzalez, Tyson Ross, Brandon Hicks. Vernon Wells, Carl Crawford. So that's numbered to 4/99. Adam Jones, King Griffey Jr., Mike Leake, decent rookie. Hoping for the Hayward autograph, but not happening. Magglio Ordonez, Clayton Kershaw, Torrey Hunter, number 2, 1961. To Matt Cain, yeah. Matt Cain, H.E. Burnett, Dan Ugla, Refractor. Don't know how to say his name. CC Sabathia, Derek Lee, 2 refractors in the same pack. Zach Duke, Brian Roberts. They numbered 2 refractors in the same pack. Three more packs. Yeah, 3. Jay Bruce, Elvis Endura, whatever. Roy Oswalt, Steven Strasburg. Yes. Yes. Nice. I'm happy now. 2 more packs, guys. Nick Markakis, Senshu Chu, Jason Worth refractor, and Hiroki Kuroda. It's off-centered. Last pack. Mark Burley, Aaron Hill, Chad Billings refractor, Josh Donaldson. Alright, that's it, guys.